Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check for any potential copyright issues in your projects on the CapCut PC. So if you edit a video on CapCut PC and you want to later upload it to maybe TikTok or YouTube, you can first run a copyright check, so you don't need to, or your video won't be banned from YouTube or TikTok. So what you need to do is just finish your edit first and then go to the audio tab in here, and here you can see in the third row there is copyright check. Okay, so by doing this check, CapCut will check your video for any potential copyright issues on used sounds before you posting it on TikTok or maybe Instagram or any social media. So just click on this checks button. Okay, sorry about that. Just click on the check button here and wait for CapCut to run the copyright check and wait for the result. So the check has been done, and if CapCut found that your project have like copyright claims, you can CapCut will mute it your video, because the copyright claims as it's been found. You can either change the sound to still export the project, or you can just mute the sound and maybe change the sound when you upload it to TikTok or other social media. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.